Do you ever lie in bed at night just drifting off to sleep when suddenly, bam, a sharp, painful Charlie horse seizes your calf muscle? Or maybe you're walking up a small flight of stairs and your legs feel so heavy and weak, like you're dragging bags of sand instead of moving your own limbs. Perhaps you get up from a chair and feel a little unsteady, your legs feeling wobbly beneath you. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of seniors experience this every single day, and for decades we've been given the same simple advice. Eat more bananas for potassium. But what if that advice is incomplete? What if the real hidden cause of your weak, cramping legs isn't a lack of potassium, but a severe deficiency in a different, far more critical mineral? A mineral that is the true master key to muscle electricity, strength, and relaxation. This isn't just a theory. This is based on solid clinical science. And this channel is different because we don't just make claims, we provide the proof. For every major point in this video, you will find the scientific references and study links waiting for you in the description below. You can verify everything for yourself. The mineral your legs are desperately begging for is magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in your entire body. It's involved in over 300 different biochemical reactions. It's like the foreman on a massive, complex construction site, overseeing everything from energy production to DNA repair. But for your muscles, its role is absolutely essential. Inside every one of your muscle cells, there is a tiny molecular battery. This battery is called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the pure, fundamental currency of energy in your body. Every time your muscle fiber contracts, whether to take a step, lift a bag, or just keep you standing upright, it spends one of these ATP batteries. Now, here's the critical part. Magnesium is the component that actually charges these ATP batteries. Without magnesium, an ATP battery is useless. It's like having a phone with a dead battery and no charger. The technology is there, but it has no power. As we age, several things happen that drain our magnesium levels. Our digestion becomes less efficient at absorbing it from food. Common medications, like some blood pressure pills and diuretics, can flush magnesium out of our bodies. And our diets often don't include enough magnesium-rich foods. So we end up with a body full of muscle cells that are packed with dead or half-charged batteries. Let me give you an analogy. Imagine your leg muscles are a fleet of electric cars. Each muscle cell is one car. Magnesium is the charging station. When you're young, you have a robust, powerful charging station. You plug in your cars, and they charge to 100% quickly. They have plenty of power for long journeys and steep hills. As you get older, that charging station starts to break down. The power is flickering, the plugs are loose. You try to charge your cars, but they only ever get to 20% or 30% charge. They can't make it up hills. They run out of power unexpectedly and just stop. That's a muscle cramp. The cars, your muscles, aren't broken. They are just out of power because the charger, your magnesium levels, is failing. This is why you can feel weak and experience cramps even if you're eating enough calories. Your body has fuel, but it can't convert that fuel into the specific electrical currency your muscles need. So, I have to ask you, do your legs feel heavy, weak, and prone to cramps because the batteries inside your muscle cells are running on empty? Let me know in the comments below. Just type night or stairs. Your experience is the first clue. The solution is not just to eat more bananas. It's to rebuild your body's charging station. It's to flood your system with bioavailable magnesium. And the number one food to start with isn't a fruit. It's a dark, leafy green. In our last part, we uncovered the real problem behind weak, cramping legs, a critical shortage of magnesium. Now it's time to find the most powerful, direct source of this magical mineral. And it's probably not what you think. I want you to picture the deepest, darkest green you can imagine. Think about the leaves of a lush, healthy plant. That green color holds the secret. The number one food to recharge your muscle batteries is dark leafy greens, specifically cooked Swiss chard, cooked spinach, and cooked kale. Why cooked, you might ask? We'll get to that in a moment. First, let's talk about why these greens are so special. The beautiful green color in plants comes from a molecule called chlorophyll. And here is the scientific secret. Right at the very center of every single chlorophyll molecule, holding it all together, is one single atom of magnesium. Let me say that again. The green color in leafy greens is made possible by magnesium. When you eat cooked dark leafy greens, you are consuming concentrated plant-based packages of the essential mineral your muscles need to create their own energy. But how does this work inside your muscle? Your muscles work on a cycle. Contract and relax. Magnesium is the key that allows your muscle to relax. When a nerve signal tells your muscle to contract, calcium rushes into the muscle cell and it contracts. But to relax, that calcium needs to be pumped back out. Magnesium is the one that operates the calcium pump. If you don't have enough magnesium, the calcium pump fails. The muscle gets the signal to contract, but it never gets the clear signal to fully relax. It stays in a state of low-level tension, ready to seize up into a full-blown, painful cramp. This is the detail that most generic health advice completely misses. They just say, eat your greens. But they ignore the fact that raw spinach and Swiss chard are high in something called oxalic acid. This oxalic acid binds to the magnesium, creating a compound your body can't absorb. It's like the magnesium is locked in a vault. Steaming or sautéing your greens breaks down that oxalic acid vault. It unlocks the magnesium, making it bioavailable so your body can actually use it. So I want you to ask yourself, have you been eating your greens raw, leaving all that precious muscle-relaxing mineral locked away? Pause this video. Do you have spinach, chard, or kale? Let me know in the comments which one you have. Just type spinach, chard, or kale. You now have the first and most important key, the green electricity from plants. But to build truly resilient legs, we need to add a second, incredibly dense source of minerals. This source is a tiny seed that has been a symbol of strength for centuries. We've unlocked the first secret, cooked dark leafy greens. But building strong, cramp-free legs isn't a one-mineral job. It's a team effort. Your body needs magnesium and its powerful partner to build and maintain strong muscle tissue. That powerful partner is zinc. And one of the best ways to get both magnesium and zinc in a single powerful package is by eating pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They are incredibly rich in magnesium, continuing the work of charging your muscle batteries, but they also bring zinc to the team. So, what does zinc do? Zinc is essential for cell growth and repair. When it comes to your muscles, zinc is crucial for protein synthesis. That's the process of taking amino acids from the protein you eat and actually weaving them into new, strong muscle tissue. Think of it this way. Magnesium provides the energy. Zinc provides the directive to build and repair the muscle itself. They are a perfect team. Now let's dive deeper into how magnesium works as a muscle relaxant. Inside your body, you have two minerals constantly balancing each other, calcium and magnesium. Calcium's job is to excite and contract. It's the accelerator pedal. Magnesium's job is to relax and calm. It's the brake pedal. When you have plenty of magnesium, this system works perfectly. You press the accelerator, you move. You press the brake, you stop. But when you are low on magnesium, you have worn-out brakes. The calcium isn't fully removed. The muscle doesn't fully relax. It stays tense, ready to slam the accelerator again unexpectedly, causing a painful cramp. This is why eating pumpkin seeds is so powerful. You are getting a double dose of muscle support, the magnesium to be the effective brake pedal, and the zinc to help repair your muscle tissue. So, are your muscle cramps a sign that your body's brake pedals are worn out? If you've ever been jolted awake by a painful leg cramp, type cramp in the comments below. You're not just getting old, you're getting deficient, and that is a problem we can solve. We now have two powerhouse foods, but what if your body isn't absorbing them well? We need to add a third food that acts as a nutrient booster. This food is creamy and delicious. We've built a strong foundation with cooked leafy greens and pumpkin seeds. But you can eat all the nutrients in the world, and if your body can't absorb them, it's like trying to fill a bathtub with the plug pulled out. This is especially true for seniors. So, we need a food that doesn't just contain nutrients, but actually helps you absorb them. We need to put the plug in the bathtub. That food is the wonderful creamy avocado. Avocado is a true superfood for muscle health, and it works in 3 brilliant ways. First, avocados are a good source of magnesium themselves. Second, and this is the most important part, avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. Why does that matter? Because magnesium needs fat to be properly absorbed. These healthy fats act like little delivery trucks, latching onto the magnesium and ensuring it gets from your gut into your bloodstream and to your hungry muscle cells. Third, avocados also contain potassium, so you get both potassium and magnesium in a perfect natural package, along with the fats to absorb it all. But the benefits don't stop there. These healthy fats are also crucial for your nervous system. Your brain sends electrical signals down nerves to tell your legs when to move. These nerves need insulation, called the myelin sheath. The healthy fats in avocados are the essential building blocks your body uses to maintain and repair this insulation. Let's use one last analogy. Think of the communication between your brain and your legs as a high-speed internet connection. Magnesium is the power supply. The nerve signals are the data. The myelin sheath is the high-quality fiber optic cable. If the cable is damaged, the signal becomes weak and glitchy. The healthy fats in avocado provide the raw materials to repair that cable, ensuring the move command from your brain is clear, strong, and instant. So, could your leg weakness be partly due to faulty wiring? The next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a ripe avocado. Let me know in the comments your favorite way to eat it. Do you put it on toast, mash it into guacamole, or just eat it with a spoon? Type toast, guac, or spoon below. We are so close. We have the electricity, the repair crew, and the delivery system. Now, we need the long-lasting, slow-burning fuel that will keep your legs powered throughout the day. For that, we turn to a humble, ancient food. We have assembled an incredible team of foods to rescue your legs. We have cooked leafy greens for direct magnesium. We have pumpkin seeds for magnesium and zinc for repair. We have avocado for absorption and nerve health. Now, it's time for the final piece. Energy. Your leg muscles need a constant, reliable supply of fuel. This is where complex carbohydrates come in. Specifically, foods like quinoa and brown rice. These whole grains are a source of magnesium, but their primary role here is as a fuel source. Unlike simple sugars that give you a quick spike and then a crash, the complex carbs in these grains are broken down slowly. They provide a steady, sustained release of glucose into your bloodstream. By eating quinoa or brown rice, you ensure your leg muscles have the constant fuel they need to carry you throughout your day. So, let's look at the complete synergistic protocol. It's a strategic system. 1. Cooked dark leafy greens, the charger for your muscle batteries. 2. Pumpkin seeds, the brakes and the repair crew. 3. Avocado, the delivery trucks and the wiring insulation. 4. Quinoa or brown rice, the long-lasting fuel. 5. Easy snacks packed with magnesium like almonds and dark chocolate. 6. And black beans, a fiber-rich legume with both magnesium and sustained energy. This system works together. The charger, brakes, repair crew, delivery trucks, and fuel all support each other. You are giving your body the complete set of tools it has been lacking, and you can trust this protocol because every recommendation is grounded in trusted scientific research. For your own deep dive, we've compiled the key studies and sources. All links are waiting for you in the description below. If this video has helped you understand the real, solvable reason behind your leg troubles, please do me a few small favors. It helps our community grow. First, please give this video a thumbs up. That like button tells YouTube that this is important content. Second, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. We are building a library of these evidence-based natural protocols. And third, if you have a friend or family member who constantly complains about their legs, please share this video with them. Start with just one of these foods today. Add steamed spinach to your dinner or grab a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack. Your legs will thank you. And subscribe, because in our next video, we're exposing the common healthy drink that flushes magnesium right out of your body, undoing all your hard work. You